Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 flip-out cup holders with a 12-volt and 2 USBs. Now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 71,054 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. On the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures, and then you can move on to your trip and fuel information, towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls, your climate controls, which are pretty simple. And to the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a small cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And moving down, you have another 12-volt with 2 USBs and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience there. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this can be moved out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath with some flip out cup holders like so, and a ton of room in there, so you can have some drinks while the seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.